We're having this huge, crazy hailstorm, thunderstorm on July 12th. I don't know if you can see, but it was like really messing up the pool. It's not quite as bad as it was. It's turning into really hard rain. But you can see that these are like, I don't know, like 1-inch size hail. Robin ran out there. I don't even know when she did it. I was talking to Sean when it happened, and he said you should take some pictures, so I'm trying. It looks like snow out on the pasture again, and it's all hail. Crazy. He asked me to take some pictures. I'm trying. Kind of hard to photograph, but let me go outside. So Robin ran through and got the horse out of the stall. Oh, and huge thunder rolling across the sky too. I think it's past, so I'm not going to get that, but it's supposed to continue. I want you to see the size of this hail. Literally like, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch little balls, like marbles. Anyway, the big hailstorm of 2009, July 12th. Crazy. Guess we'll go to the front. Here comes thunder. Listen. Come on, thunder. I don't know. It's trying. The dogs are in. Hi, Mandy. Hi, Mandy. Did you get scared? They were outside. There you can see the pasture, and there's one that landed in a leaf here while I was talking to Sean. That's it. That is a piece of hail inside of a leaf. Now that's hail in July. Nuts, huh?